We've just finished the Cartographer scan Calibrate and cycled power to the machine after doing the save config. We are set and ready to go on the Cartographer Touch Calibrate. First thing we will do is a home all. After doing a home Z until you run your first bed mesh, you're going to get this bed mesh unknown profile default. Close that out. Next thing I always do is run a Z tilt adjust under tools. This will level the bed side to side. And now I run a home Z. Close that fault again, go under Tools, and we are doing the Cartographer Touch Calibrate. We are going to switch over to the console. So right now it's looking for a frequency where it can get some samples within a certain tolerance. When you first start, if you're watching the nozzle on the printer, the nozzle's actually not touching the bed, and that's why it's going through, it's figuring out what frequency it can use so that it touches the bed and gets consistent results. So frequency 2360, it's saying has some promise. So now it's going to go through and do 10 sets of samples. Each set of samples will do up to 10 touches. It's looking for 3 samples within 0.01 of each other. Well, we've had success. It's gone through 10 sets of samples and able to find 3 touches within the selected range. And now to save that, we have to do another save config. So click on save config, go over here, hit send. The printer is once again going to cycle the software and then come back up, and then we will have to turn off the main switch and power it back up, and we will be ready to run our first print.